I wasn't really taking a lot of notice of this piece of paper. It was actually my test piece for colour combos whilst I was working on some brown paper abstracts, and that flower project that I shared with you in my art video on Wednesday, if you saw that. And all I was doing on this one was just trying out paints, seeing how they worked together, see how they worked on the brown paper itself. Then at the end of the session, I looked at this tester piece, this experimental piece, and instantly fell in love with it. And I'm sure you've had times like that too, when the thing you weren't paying attention to, that was just a tool for the projects you were actually working on, turned out to be interesting and eye-catching in its own right. I don't know, there's something about the shape and the colours that just really worked for me on this, and I thought it would make a great addition to my June floral theme. And I thought that that shape and size of the colour pattern here would make a really great leaf, which definitely fits in with the theme that I'm working on this month, both here on YouTube and also on Patreon too. Oh, and a quick shout out to my art explorers and process addicts over on Patreon. Did you have fun with the first floral exercise? I hope you've been enjoying it. Your next one is going to be up tomorrow, so that will be this week's creative exercise to play with. So keep your eye out for that. And if you're onto Patreon and you want to join up, then I do have links to my page in the description and also in the cards as well. So do pop on over and, you know, feel free to ask me any questions you want. So I already had the idea of the leaf shape for this piece. It kind of dictated the shape to me already. But I just wanted to add some more details and interest to those splodges of colour. And I doodled some random bits and pieces here, quite organic, trying not to think about it too hard and just trying to do. Then even after I'd put in that leaf shape, I felt that it needed some more doodling as well, just to sort of give it a little bit more interest. And then I thickened out the line a little bit later. But as I only have the thinnest version of this black paint pen, it did take a few lines to get it as thick as I wanted. I always sort of home in on the thinner pens and forget about the big ones. I'm not a great fan of the big ones. I maybe should try a bit harder with them. It's always the thin line that I'm looking for. So as well as doing my floral theme for June and, you know, focusing, concentrating in on a particular thing, I thought I'd also try to post a video twice a week, every week this month. I'm going to do my best, so keep your eyes open and peeled for my twice weekly videos. Because I know that sometimes you might miss. I've had a few comments saying that they've missed some of my videos, or why have I not posted a video for a while? No, I post every week. I'm here every week posting. It's probably because you're not getting the notifications from YouTube. So you might want to hit that notification bell near the subscribe button so you don't miss them. I thought I'd post this one today just to give you a little bit of an inspiration, show you that sometimes the simplest ideas are the best, and also just to remind you to have a look at your throwaway pieces, you know, the ones where you just splodge a little bit of colour on to see how combinations will work or how it will work on that surface. Sometimes they could be worth working up into a finished piece. Now I have some more mixed media art inspiration for you. So watch these videos next, and I'll see you over there.